In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a search on an Excel spreadsheet. If you've ever stared at a big sheet wondering where a specific word or number is hiding, this method will save you time and frustration. Start by making sure you're on the worksheet where you want to look. Then, at the top of Excel, go to the Home tab. On the right side of the ribbon, you'll see an option called Find and Select. Click that, and from the drop-down menu, choose Find. This opens the Find dialog box, which is where all the searching happens. In the box labeled Find What, type exactly what you're looking for. For example, I'll type heavyweight. Spelling matters here, so double check your entry before you search. When you're ready, click Find Next. Excel will jump to the first cell it finds that matches your search term and highlight it. If that isn't the one you want, click Find Next again to move to the next match, and keep clicking to cycle through every match on the sheet. This is great when you want to review each result one by one in context. If you prefer to see everything at once, click Find All. Excel will instantly list all the matches in a panel within the Find window, showing you where each result is located. This gives you a quick overview without scrolling. You can click any item in that list, and Excel will take you directly to that exact cell. It's a fast way to jump around the sheet, especially if there are many occurrences. A few quick tips to make this smoother. By default, Excel searches the current sheet and starts from the active cell, moving forward. If you don't get any results, check for typos, extra spaces, or different wording. Also remember that searching doesn't change your data. It simply navigates you to what already exists, so it's completely safe to use. When you're done, you can close the Find window and continue working. If you want to run another search, just repeat the same steps. Home tab, Find and Select, Find, type your term, and use Find Next or Find All depending on how you want to review the results. That's all there is to it. Simple, reliable, and much faster than scanning manually. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and happy searching in Excel.